Hello guys, my name is Amokwenes, the founder of Irida Digitals and Irida Hosts. Okay, Irida Digitals is all about a web designing company. We also teach how to design professional websites. Over the years, we have been teaching a lot of people how to design professional websites so that they can also become a designer and make money. Okay, now we also have a web hosting, and that is the Irida Hosts. You can get affordable web hosting plan. Okay, good. Now let us continue. Today I'm going to show you what we have been doing, and I think you need to step up. You have to do something. Okay, web designing is something that you can do in addition to whatever work that you are doing. Okay, I'm a teacher by profession, but yet this is what I do in addition to that. Okay, so which means that you can take it as a part-time, and I'm advising each and every one watching this video right now to take this opportunity and learn. Okay, this is very simple. It won't take years before you can become a perfect. If you're serious, with just 2 months or 1 month, you can start getting contract. You can start making websites, charging people for that, and I'm going to show you the proof of what I'm saying. Okay, now for instance, this is our hosting platform. If you need a hosting, come here and subscribe to any of the plan. I will not get time to walk you through or to show you around. Okay, and this is another web hosting. In fact, I have 2 hosting platform. Okay, this one is the current one that I'm using now. The old one, it wasn't it's like before, when someone pay for a package, I have to go and set the account up before the person can start using the platform. And this time we have come out with a new one, which is the standard, and the speed is so special. Okay, when I started this, in fact, I was not even having a laptop, and now I'm doing great. I'm not saying I'm rich now, but I'm comfortable. Okay, and you have to step up, work hard, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve right now. I know you are watching me, you want to do it, but there's something pulling you back, and I'm advising you to work hard. Now let me show you. This is an e-commerce website. It's a website that I designed for a friend of mine who is in Denmark. Okay, if I tell you how much I charge for this website, it will surprise you. This is just a simple arts and crafts website. Okay, it's very simple. I don't have time to show you around. And there's another website. It belongs to the same person. It's an NGOs for those who are into charity work. Okay, good. This is another website. Good. And then let's go down and let me show you. Let's end here. Let's go to here. This is another website that I designed for a school. Okay, I designed this website for a school, a private school, and it's so amazing. It's very nice. Okay, you can check around. Okay, the reason why I'm showing all this, I'm going to show you how the process of designing the site, just a tip of it, so that you understand what we are about to start. Okay, so just look around. It's very nice and simple website. Okay, everything looks nice. Okay, now let's go to this one is another school website. Okay, where it has some kind of animation at the background, very dark one too, very simple and neat website. Okay, and look at, we have, oh, it's very nice and simple website. Student can apply online, or parent can just go to the site and just make an online application for that. Okay, for instance, you can just click here and apply admission online. Very simple as that. Okay, that's online admission. You can select the forms and start entering the data about your child. Okay, that's simple as that. Now let me show you. This is my web hosting platform. I'm going to take you through how the process involving in designing all these kind of websites. Okay, so we are at the editing interface. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is just drag and drop. Okay, you see, we have so many ways of creating. We are now in the digital world, and We have so many ways of creating a website. You can go with programming language. I'm talking about web developer. Okay, this is web designing. We are not going to deal with any coding. Okay, this code-free web design training. Okay, if you are to go into coding, it will take you some years. Okay, and we don't have time. We need to make money. We have to start making money. So now let me show you here. These are the elements that we are to use to make the website. Okay, we have the heading, the inner section, image. So these days, if for instance I just want to put an image here, I can just drag this image editor and drop it here. Simple as that. After that, I will click here and go to my site and pick the image that I want to put there, or I can upload image from my computer here. Straight away, I will come here and pick an image from here. Let's say I want to use this guy. I will just select that and upload. Okay, then I will just put the image here. So I'll have the image here. Okay, good. Let me delete it from here. What else can I put here? In case I just want to put this button that you see here. This is the button. I can just put the button here, and then you see it's not looking all that good. I can just style it. I can just click here, change the name to read more. Okay, so after that, I can come to the style here and start doing that. I will change the color to this. If I want to add that it has an oval shape, if I want to add border radius, then I can just put a number here like 50 so that it will give it oval shape. Okay, so there's so many things. It's just drag and drop, then you edit. Okay, if I want to increase the size of this text, I can just come here, select the text, come here, and then go to typography here and increase it to 100. You see, look at this. Okay, if I want to reduce it, I can just do that. Okay, if you want to this picture, if you want to reposition it, you can do that. The same thing applies to everything that I've added on this platform. So this is just drag and drop website that builder that we are going to use. I'm going to walk you through step by step, and if you follow along, with just a month you will become a professional website designer. Okay, if you followed along step by step, within just a month, you will become a professional website designer and you will start making money. Okay, you'll be getting contracts from different places. So don't take this opportunity for granted. Grab it and work towards it. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.